Hi there, this is Paul Kim, and in this video I wanted to go over a video platform using artificial intelligence that is currently an Appsumo deal, and I wanted to go over this tutorial and this demo because this deal is probably going to go away soon because it's been on Appsumo for quite some time, and an email just came through saying that they've added more templates, and so I wanted to do this quick video tutorial, and I'm going to go over it right now. Hi, my name is Paul Kim, and in this channel I go over online and video marketing tips and strategies to help you build and grow your business. More specifically, I deal with investors and agents, but you can apply the same theory or tips in your small business as well. All right, so let's dig deep into InVideo. And so InVideo is a platform very similar to some of the other platforms that are out there, like Animoto or Lumen5, Rocketium, and some other platforms out there. I mean, there's a lot. And so the reason when it comes to these platforms, they have monthly recurring costs. And so whenever I get a chance to reduce my costs, because I have an agency and I do create these videos, I look at it and I see whether I want to purchase it and move forward with using that platform or not. I previously got Rocketium through Appsumo, and I have been using that regularly since I purchased it, and I do use other video editing platforms. We're not going to get into that right now. So let's dig deep into InVideo, and we'll go right into it. All right. So as you can see, InVideo, it's on Appsumo. The price is $49 for one code. And the reason I got 5 codes, now understand that the reason I got it, number one, it has resellers rights, and which means it's great for an agency like myself. I use it for my own business as well, but I also can apply and use this videos that I create for others as well. And the main reason I got the 5 codes was because the number of users. So if I have 4 codes, it only gives me 1 user, whereas 5 codes gives me 3 users, and then it also does 10 videos. I mean, I don't think this platform, I played around trying to figure out whether I can, create a 10-minute. 10 minutes is a very long video. It's kind of like, these demo tutorials, and I don't know if it can use these type of videos if the platform can be utilized to create this kind of videos, but I'm going to try. Maybe in my future videos I'm going to show how it can be done, if it can be done. But the main reason was the number of users, because I do have a team that I work with, and so that's the reason that I got the 5 codes, which is 50 times 5 is $250. Now the question is, whether I'm gonna, the whole point of this video is that I wanted to see whether I want to keep it or not, because my refund period for this platform has not expired yet, so I wanted to check it out. All right. So just to go back, I did get Lumen5. Lumen5 is another platform that takes, what it does is it takes an article, you put a link into Lumen5, and what it does is it creates a short video based on the article, taking excerpts or parts of that article, and it creates these videos. It creates a short video, and I'm going to show you an example of some that I created for one of our clients. Let's go take a look. So, Kosher Real Estate Group, and a while back, let me just pause this. A while back, we've created, let's just go to videos. In between, this was probably the time when a real estate market slows down. It's during the winter time, and so we created these short videos out of some of the articles that they had on their blog posts. And these videos probably would be better served on social media platform and not YouTube, but we pushed it out on, we put it out on YouTube just for because we created them, we just put it out there on YouTube. But one interesting thing that I wanted to make note of is that, you can take a look at the number of views. I mean, it also function of, whether people watch the whole video or not, but also a good indication of whether a topic is of interest to people is the number of views. I mean, so, we're not talking about a big number, but the number of views for a small business, like here, 77 views, 4 ways to improve natural light in your home. As you can see, that got a lot of hits. So what does that mean? That's a potential topic that we should go deep into and figure out why it's important. And then another thing is 4 things you never knew about Persephone, and that had 280 views, which is pretty decent. So that's another topic. Maybe, whenever you see these videos and you put them up there, when you can see that they're getting a lot of views, it's an indication that maybe that's something that you can dig more into. So kind of sidetracking, sorry about that. So those were done using InVideo. And so let me just click on this video and I'll show you. Put the sound up a little. So one of the things I noticed is their video and image collection is pretty decent, Lumen5. And so if I were to take that same article and put it on InVideo, I would, I could probably do it right now. Let's just go ahead and do it. So I'm logged into my account, and I'm going to be doing maybe, let's try this one. All right, and then what it does is you have a couple of options into, you can start with your own photos, you can start with, putting your text, or you can start with a link. And so we're going to take a link, and I'm going to go to, let me see, I'm just going to go to my website. This is my website. I'm just going to pull link to this article here, and we're going to copy that into InVideo and put the link here. And what that does is it's now taking that link and taking the content from that article and pulling it into here. And then I'm not gonna edit it in any way. I'm just gonna proceed. And there's too much text on one screen, so what you have to do is you have to kind of edit some of the text to make it shorter for each frame. And I think that automatically does it. So I'm just doing this quickly just for the purposes of this demo. And if this takes a while, I might have to pause it, so hopefully it doesn't. All right, so that was pretty quick. And let's see what it comes up with. And without doing any editing at all, I'm just going to preview it and see what it comes up with. Right, so I don't know why there's no videos here, so I definitely need, there's something going on. So as I can see that, the difference between the template for the interface and the AI between Lumen5 and InVideo is very, it's kind of, world apart, I guess. Lumen5 has been a while, it's been around a while. So I do see that InVideo has needs improvement in that regard, but the way around it might be a little bit more work, but is you still need to edit these texts, and you have the ability to, let me see if you have the ability to change the music here, as you can see, and there's different kind of music, and you can upload music as well. You can also upload your own media, and here's the content, the original article, and um, so definitely, this is definitely worth looking into. Um, need to probably figure out why this didn't add an image. So let's say if you wanted to add an image, if you wanted to sell your house, so maybe you could add this image, and let's see how, drag your image here, and so there it goes. So you're able to use that image. Now let's see, they do have videos as well here, and it does include, let's see, if you don't, not sure what it means by premium. So there's not that many videos. Now, when you include the premium, there's might be a cost involved. Let's just check to see how much, if there is a cost. Note the video will be added without any watermark. So I'm not sure what the cost is, and there's probably a cost involved, so I'm not sure about that. So one thing I'm gonna have to look into whether, let me see if it includes videos or not. No, in video advanced editing. Upgrade your plan for $20 a month, 50 premium videos. Okay, so you do have the ability to upgrade your plan for $20 a month to include premium videos in your library. So that's a plus. Okay, so you have that option there. I'm not sure if that option is a lifetime offer, something that I look into once I make that decision. So going back to InVideo, and let's just get out of this, and using this testimonial, I just want to take a quick look and see if they have Instagram videos, product videos, video ads, restaurant. Now, is there a way for me to search? Now, just understand this is my first, I've probably looked at it before quickly, but this is my first time really looking at it and really determining whether I want to keep this platform or not. So is there a way for me to search if there's anything related to real estate? I don't see any way for me to do a search. Okay, so I'm gonna have to physically search. Probably what I would recommend to them is if they can categorize into certain categories of businesses, that would be more helpful from a business point of view. Let's just take a look at this one. Urban house for sale. Start with this template and see. Let's see if how this works out. Okay, so as I can see that it goes through these scenes, very similar to Rocketium. You would add these upload the images, have the ability to change music, media. Okay, so very similar to Rocketium. So definitely worth. So now I have here up to this is this is a 10-second video. 10-second video. So I have the ability to increase it more if I needed to, and add scenes. I would see right here, add scenes. There's ways to add text here. Social media credits. Okay. So definitely something that worth looking into. I'm sure there are going to be little glitches in here because I remember when we were first using Rocketium, they had it had glitches as well. And so based on my initial review, it is something that I think is worth us keeping. So this is not a tutorial on how to use this platform. It's just a quick tutorial. And so I hope this this video was helpful to help you to make a determination whether this is a platform that you want to get and start playing around with it and seeing if this fits your business, or it's something that you want to apply in your business. I think it's totally worth it, even if you just got the one code for your own business, and I totally worth it. And even if you just do Instagram, if you do something Instagram videos, it's something that you should definitely look into because they already have templates that you can utilize, and I'm sure they're going to add more templates as well. All right, so I hope this quick review was helpful in helping you to make a determination as to whether this is a tool that you can apply in your business. And if you are if you have any questions about this, please put your comment below. I appreciate it. You taking the time to watch this, and I hope that you can join me in my future videos. Subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit that bell notification to get notified of future videos as well. All right. Thank you. I'll see you later. Bye.